February the 1st, 2023 was the day I posted my first video ever on YouTube. And today, 1 year later, I'm gonna show you my entire YouTube workflow, the one that got me here, from organizing ideas to uploading videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I write down all the ideas that come to my mind as soon as possible. If I skip this step, I might forget that idea and there will be no way I could shoot the video. That's why I stop for a moment what I'm doing, although sometimes it's hard, and I reach for my phone to log my ideas. I usually use Asana or the default note-taking app from my phone to log my ideas and get them organized. Then I brainstorm the main ideas for the video in a notebook. Paper works best for me in this creative phase. I draft the intro, which is what people are going to get from the video and what the video is about, of course. Then the content, which is depends on the video, but it's organized in tips or steps. And then the conclusion, where I just summarize the main points of the video, and the outro. The outro is where I ask viewers to comment and subscribe to my channel. After that, I do a little research on YouTube. I look for videos about the same or similar topic, and from that I get an overview of what is working for other creators regarding thumbnails, titles, and keywords, and what they are missing, so I can improve on that in my own video. Right after that, I write the script on a Google document in large print. The one that I have on my iPad here, so it guides me while I'm recording the video. I try to write in short sentences and easy to understand vocabulary because I'm not a native speaker and I want to make it easy both for me and you, the viewer. There is time for shooting. I use the front camera of my iPhone for talking head videos like this one, and the back camera for B-roll. And I use this lavalier mic and a tripod. I lock the focus on the screen and just start recording. I prefer to record multiple clips instead of filming in one take because I think it makes editing much more simple. After filming all my video, I focus on the thumbnail. I record myself trying a bunch of poses and then screenshot my favorite one so I can edit it later. Editing is the most time-consuming task in this workflow, so I edit all of my videos on VideoPad, which is software that I use for free. I like to edit in batches, so the first thing that I do is the rough cut. I just trim the parts that are where the information is kind of redundant, when I make mistakes or use unnecessary fillers. Then I adjust the volume. I generally increase the volume and reduce noise if necessary. Then add visual assets like B-roll and images. Then I add zooms and jump cuts. After that, I add text, then transitions, and then music and sound effects. When I'm satisfied with the result, I just export it to my desktop and it's done. When it comes to the thumbnail, I have a few styles that I usually go with. Sometimes I just use the picture that I previously screenshot and then add text and visual elements on Canva. And most of the times I use the image that I previously screenshot, but I want to change the background, so I use this website called remove.bg, and then I add a background that I think that matches the vibe and the topic of the video. Other times I just want to show multiple images in my thumbnail, so I use the grid feature on Canva. By this time, I already have a few title ideas based on some keywords. If I'm not feeling inspired, I use AI to provide me with some title options. When it comes to the video description, I have a general template which contains basic information like my introduction and my social media profiles. And of course, every video is unique, so I use Notion AI to help me write a simple and short video description. Of all the tools that I tried, Notion was the best for me. I never just copy and paste the generated text, but keep what I like and just modify what I don't like. Finally, it's time to upload the video. I access YouTube Studio from YouTube itself and just follow the steps needed. It's really simple, and in some of the more informational videos like this one, I like to add timestamps so people can have the information quite organized in the video. And we're not finished yet. When my video is live, I like to promote it on Instagram stories by making a short video featuring what the video is about and what people are gonna get from it. In the following story, I paste the thumbnail and the link to the full video. At this point, I'm not making more videos, I'm just repurposing what I already have. Repurposing is reusing existing content in a new format, so I don't have to be constantly generating new content. I go to my editing software and create short vertical videos out of the video I just uploaded to YouTube. For example, if I make a video about 5 tips to such and such, I could create 5 short vertical videos, one video for each tip, so I can post them later on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. I also like to add automatic captions on my short videos because apparently most people watch videos with no sound on CapCut, which I use on my computer. Alright guys, this was my complete YouTube workflow from my first year of YouTube. I hope to upgrade it in the future so I can make it more efficient, and of course I will keep you updated. I'm gonna leave the link down below to all the software and websites that I use to make this possible. All of them are for free, so go check them out. Subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more about content creation, creativity, and self-education. Thank you so much for supporting me along this YouTube journey. See you on the next one. Ciao, ciao!